I'm here to review the Hotpoint fridge freezer in graphite grey. You can see the colour close up, and the handle is built into the fridge freezer, so it fits nice and streamlined into the space. It's a 60-40 split, so the fridge has got a lot more storage. There are 3 adjustable shelves, and then the vegetable tray at the bottom, which has the humidity control, so you can keep your veg crisper. It just works with a little slide. If you open the drawer, there is then also a divide to store stuff in, and also it splits up different veg. And then over on the door we've got 3 adjustable shelves, and then the top one comes with an egg tray as well. 3 adjustable shelves in the main bit of the fridge, and there's a really easy temperature control on the side. The actual fridge door has good suction, so it's quite a good tug to open it, which is good. The freezer is a low frost freezer, so this has been up and running for 3 weeks, and you can see there's hardly any frost on it. 3 really big drawers to store quite a lot of food in there. And in the bottom tray there are some ice cube trays that have come with it, for your ice cubes. And that is it.